You know we back at it and we don't sleep over here. This time we're at Induction Motorsports, talking about all the fastest cars in the Bay Area, period. I'm here with my boy Bayareaflicks, and we're getting ready for the Rendezvous Car Festival, June 15th.
Telling you, come out, have a good time. We're gonna have a good category of cars.
We're gonna have special guests, all the baddest cars in the Bay Area.
The Rendezvous Car Festival, just come out and have a good time.
June 15th, the Rendezvous Car Show at the Santa Clara County Fairgrounds. It's coming, June 15th.